Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to deactivate your Facebook account. So if you want to deactivate your Facebook account, it's pretty simple, but recently Facebook has been making a lot of changes to their settings. So I'll show you the newest way that they did it. So it should stay this way for a while, but head over to this Facebook app and then click on your menu settings in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you click on the menu, it's going to bring you to the menu page here. And you want to scroll down until you see the option for settings and privacy. Once you find that, drop that down right there. And then you're going to want to look for the settings option out of these options. Once you find it, just click on the settings option and then it will bring you to the settings and privacy page. So it should be right below settings and privacy. It should be the first option that shows up. Once you're here, you're going to want to find Meta Account Center. Once you find it, just click on it and it'll bring you to the Meta Account Center. And from here, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the option for personal details. It should be right below account settings, and once you find personal details, you're going to want to click on it and it'll bring you to the next page. So go ahead and click on it once you find it. It'll bring you to this page here. Here you want to look for account ownership and control. Once you find it, click on it, it'll bring you to this page here. And here you want to click deactivation or deletion. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you to choose which account you want to deactivate. So choose the account you want to deactivate and then select deactivate account instead of delete account. Once you select deactivate account, you can click continue. So deactivating your account is temporary, but deleting your account is permanent. So once you do that, it's going to ask you to put in your password. So go ahead and put that in real quick. Now once you do that, you can just click continue. Now once you did that, it's going to bring you to this page here. You can choose an option or you can just skip it and click continue. And once you do that, you can it's going to bring you to this page here. So I suggest making sure that it doesn't reactivate automatically. You can have it reactivate automatically if you want to, but I say set it to don't reactivate automatically. Now once you do that, just continue right under that. It's going to bring you to this page here. You're just going to make sure that you confirm that you want to deactivate your Facebook account. You can also make sure to continue using Messenger if you want to do that as well, but then just click continue and then it will continue to deactivate your account and it will deactivate the account that you just want to deactivate. So that is how you deactivate your Facebook account. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comments section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.